Let's take a look at the News Widget. This is where you can follow everything happening in the market in real time. It brings together all the latest updates from companies, analysts, and sectors, so you can quickly see what's driving the headlines. The widget allows you to easily search by ticker symbol or group of stocks. For example, you can type Apple to view only Apple-related news, or switch to see news for all stocks, the top 500 companies, or everything outside the top 500, giving you access to updates from smaller and emerging companies. There are different types of news available. Regular news includes individual items, sometimes with repeats. Top News summarizes the most important updates using artificial intelligence. Each news item carries a weight score from 0 to 10, with 9 or 10 marking the most significant stories. When multiple articles cover the same topic, the AI automatically merges them into one concise summary. For instance, if you look up Verizon, you'll see that 2 related news items are summarized into one clear AI-generated line. It captures the essential information without duplication, allowing you to stay informed efficiently and quickly react to meaningful updates. You can also filter news by sentiment, choosing to see only positive or negative updates. Or you can filter by sector and category. For example, choose technology in sectors and earnings, or analyst views in categories. As a result, you'll see all the latest analyst updates and earnings news specifically for tech companies. Finally, you can access all AI-generated content directly within the panel. All AI items are highlighted in yellow, including AI-generated summaries, analyst notes, and transcripts from earnings calls. You can open, expand, and read each one in full for deeper insights. There's also a keyword search feature. You can quickly find all news related to a specific topic or company. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the platform and don't forget to do your own research.